First-time homebuyers, downsizers, and investors, this one is for you. I'm Deanna Kalina with Stonehouse Realty. Let's go take a look. This home is charming, bright, and has an open, functional, single-level floor plan and beautifully designed outdoor space. It sits on a large, nearly 8,400 square foot lot, has been loved throughout the years, and now ready for its new owners. It has a spacious living room with a cozy and practical wood stove, which flows right to the kitchen and eating area with access to the gorgeous back deck and private fenced yard. It also has 2 generous-sized bedrooms and a bathroom. With some awesome bonuses such as a newer roof, 200 amp panel, updated doors, nearly all the windows are newer, vinyl plank flooring, forced air furnace, and the exterior has been recently repainted. The outdoor space is something special, with a fully fenced backyard for pets and kids, a large deck, mature trees, garden beds, herbs, perennials, all sorts of berries such as salmon berries, gooseberry, black currant, strawberry, and raspberries. A fantastic detached workshop, tool shed, lean-to for wood storage or your toys, and ample parking for trailers and more. And the location is perfect, with just a short walk to downtown, schools, parks, shopping, restaurants, and the popular farmers market, and so much more. If you'd like more information on this gorgeous home or have any questions about the area, my phone number is 604-789-8202.